Hello everyone. Today we will learn some examples how we can improve our prompt quality. Okay, so I created some set of examples. So I will do each example one by one. Okay, so this is first example. Suppose I want to prompt ChatGPT what is Kubernetes. So I write something like this. Okay, and I got some. I will get some response. So let's see the response. So first we are getting what is Kubernetes and what we can do with Kubernetes. Okay, like a data scheduling, service discovery, load balancing, horizontal scaling, and some components of Kubernetes architecture used. It is quite okay explanation. Okay, but suppose I want to get some more detail. This is not what I expect. I want to improve my prompt. So I enter like this. Explain Kubernetes to a backend developer who know Docker but is new to orchestration tool. Include practical example. It is more specific. I am a Java developer. I know Docker quite well and I want to know more about Kubernetes. So I can use Kubernetes in my project. So I enter this prompt. It is more specific than the above prompt. And I will certainly get some better answer, hopefully. Okay. So here we are getting some difference. What is the advantage of Kubernetes basically? That's what I am able to infer so far. Okay, some examples I'm getting it. There's some deployment file. Okay, here we have replica. This is like it's okay. It is better explanation than that. Now I do some trick. Now I apply some trick in the prompt, and this trick will certainly help me to get much better response than the response I'm getting so far. Okay. Okay, I think it is not what I'm expecting. Okay. I have to make a little change in this prompt. Please rate me a JSON format for this prompt, for the following prompt, from the following prompt. Okay, so the response I'm getting is not something which I'm expecting. I think I made some mistake in writing the prompt. So I'm recorrecting my mistake and I hopefully I'll get the response I wanted. Okay. Okay, this is what I expect. Okay. Okay, now I got this prompt. Okay. I just have a look at this one. Please reply me to the following and let's see what happens. There I'm getting more information about key concept. Then I got information about deploy, expose, and add database like deploy Spring Boot application, expose app, then add Postgres. And it is also asking me whether I help you in creating deployment YAML, service YAML, and product Postgres. So I got this answer. So let's compare this answer with okay, here I included a practical example. Okay, this is also quite acceptable, but I think this kind of prompt will give me exactly what I needed. This is a subject uh, in which I am quite good. Like I'm a software developer and I work with Kubernetes and Docker, so I know what is my requirement. This prompt gave me exact answer what I needed. Okay, but the above prompt did not give me the answer I wanted. Okay, so this is the first example. Uh, I'll give you some more examples so you can understand it better. Okay, okay, so this is first example. Okay, so I gave this prompt. Act as a DevOps engineer. Explain how to deploy Spring Boot application to EKS using Helm chart. Okay, first I query ChatGPT like this. This is also quite good prompt to certain extent. Okay, but I can certainly make it better. Okay, so it will certainly solve my problem. Suppose I wanted to have a solution to this problem. The answer I got will certainly solve my problem. But let's see how JSON, if I write this prompt in the JSON format, what different answer I will get. Okay, please create a JSON format of the following prompt. Okay, okay. So here I got this. Hmm. Okay, I copied it and I pasted it. This time I did not write any context. Let's see what is the answer I will get. Prerequisite. See, first I'm getting technology involved, then prerequisite, then steps. Okay, let's see. Did I get same answer here? Prerequisite I got, but it was not so clear, I think. The technology involved it is not so clear. The technology involved, okay, prerequisites. post structure, project structure, then steps to Dockerize Spring Boot application, push image to image ECR, Elastic Container Registry. Okay, so I'm getting much better answer than the answer I was getting. Let's see it again. I also make sure that yes, this approach will certainly help me. Okay, see here I'm not getting any option of Prometheus, Grafana. Like there is no talk about uh, observability. Okay, so this answer is not as good as the answer I am getting from this JSON formatted prompt. Okay, so we will do three more examples today, and so you can understand JSON format prompt much better. Okay, I don't have any article, and so so example of kind of output I want, insert example. Okay, okay. Suppose I want to explain CI/CD to a junior developer. How can I explain it? So I enter it like this. Okay, let's see. Here's a GitOps, and I get some answer. Is a like factory line for code, developer write code. It goes on conveyor belt and machines, process it until it package and deliver to customer production. Okay, so this is the answer I got. Mhm. For the following, okay, then I copied it and I pasted it. And let's see what kind of answer I get. CI/CD recap in similar tone, key concepts, real world tools, summary for junior developer. And what answer I was getting here? CI/CD, GitOps, key idea, real tool. Okay. So this time answer is not much better than like JSON answer is not much better than simple text. This is what I have seen. It is little better, but not much better. Hmm. How it explained like this? No, 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 no. GitOps and similar tone. If I see, wait a moment. No, no, it is much better. It is not much better, I would say. It is better. This JSON format answer is better than the simple text answer. That's what I have seen so far. I created three prompts. Now I create some more prompts. Let's see. I'm building a chatbot with Spring Boy. Please hide define. Okay. So I'm giving most of the prompts from the perspective of Java Spring developer, but I do something different, like write a LinkedIn post inspiring tone about learning prompt engineering. This would be better. This kind of prompt could be helpful to many people, not only Java developers. Okay, so yeah, this is a simple prompt I gave. I entered, and let's see what is the answer. Like what ChatGPT. What answer ChatGPT provide me? Okay, so I got this answer. Okay, I copied it. Now I paste it, and let's see what is the answer. Yeah, it is much better JSON prompt. Like here, I'm setting up word limit also. Okay. I think okay. It is only 150 words. Okay, okay. Yeah. Now I think I gave some context. Okay, so it is quite better. Okay. It is more, yeah, of course, it is better than that direct text prompt. Okay. It might require some more effort, but yeah, at the end, your answer is much better than your answer with text. You know, JSON format prompt is providing better answer than text prompt. Okay, it also depend what how you craft your prompt. So we did four examples so far. Okay, I'll do one more example. Okay, this is a very good prompt, like not in the context of prompt, but in the context of a question. Okay, because many people are still going through AI and vector database. So here I'm getting this answer. So vector database is designed to find things that are similar in meaning. Okay. Okay, so this is the answer I got. Normally with hand it is quite difficult to make this kind of prompt. Okay, but if you use ChatGPT to prompt it like this, Maybe you'll get better answer. Let's see. In most of the cases, answer are better than the text prompt. Let's see what answer I got here. Imagine you are building a smart search engine. So I would say JSON format prompt has shown that it provides better result than text prompt in most of the cases. Okay. Yeah, I think let's see chain of thought. Let's think chain of thought is one of the critical part of prompting. Okay. Graduate your aim to succeed. Okay, so here we got some answer. Now I create a JSON format. Prepare me. Okay, first answer is personal capability, mindset, job market readiness, support access, postgraduate environment, ongoing learning, evolution. Okay, prepare me a JSON format prompt for the following prompt. Let's see. If we add some context, okay, this time I did not add any context. So please interpret this prompt and okay. Okay, this is the interpretation, crafting response. Here we have five assumption areas. Okay, so answer is quite similar. Okay, So yeah, that comparison doesn't work all the time. This is the conclusion. Okay. But most of the cases, the JSON format prompt is performing better than a text format prompt. It also depends how you train your ChatGPT or other AI tool. You can use same technique in other AI models. I will use it now. Mhm. Okay, I use Google Gemini now, and let's see what is the answer here. However, I'm not using any special model, and I'm unpaid user of this. Okay, so it is giving bit detailed answer. Yeah, to be honest, ChatGPT answer is better in this context. Okay. Yeah, I could say if you have time, you can try this JSON format prompt. It is giving better result than simple text. Okay, especially for people who write blogs. Yeah, this will be using Dell E, so the images will be okay. But yeah, you can take this task as a homework if you want. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video. And in case you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. And I wish you a very nice day.